But because of the things that happened yesterday and matters that have been happening within our county, Murang'a, we thought of expressing our disgust and dissatisfaction with the conduct of the affairs of the county, particularly matters appertaining to members of county assembly and the executive within the county. We appreciate that these members may have complaints, but we condemn the manner in which these disagreements are being resolved physically and at times in a very embarrassing manner, physical fights within and outside the county. We also do not agree that the best solution to these disagreements is through courts of law. We think courts of law must be the last resort for the resolution of any matter.
I want to join my colleague, Honorable Muturi Kigano MP for Kangema, in condemning the violence and the conflict that has been going on in Murang'a. It's not the first time. I think we are working towards a backdrop of previous violence and conflict in Murang'a the last term, and it was our hope as elected leaders that this new term will see the county conducting its affairs differently. And therefore, I want to condemn the fighting, the infighting, and say that it is obvious from, and as a member of this county, elected member of this county, it is obvious that the conflicts are being fueled by persons with certain personal interests or isolated interests that are not interests that will bring the county, take the county forward. The independence of the assembly must be encouraged, enhanced, and respected. And therefore, when I see the exchanges that occurred yesterday and a fortnight ago, for sure, Murang'a County is on the wrong footing, is working on the wrong footing. And it is important that we call for peace within the assembly and outside the assembly.